It's now winter. Snow piles around 10 centimeters, and I found a stag watching me. Left side, this side, left side, on the slope of the mountain. Easy shot, 100 yards. It was standing there. Blood. Hope you can see. And it is the stag over the small river. Small stag. Hope every rock is kept very well. Okay. It's a winter hunting, the beginning of very good opportunity to me. Its body is pretty big for the size of the stag. You know, very rare stag horns. This side, 1, 2, 3, but plate like, you know, flat here, rare and very beautiful point. And this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top point, you know, irregular anomaly stag. I love this stag very, very much. It's my treasure. Okay, I'd like to compare these two knives. Can you see? This close-up no good. It's EsKabar, and it's Izula2 and EsKabar. Let's compare. The both have relatively high convex grind made by me. EsKabar. And Izula2. Edge sharpness is the same. Skinning performance. Hitches, the tissue, bridging tissue. Also, hitches, bringing bridging tissue. This long cutting edge has advantage on EsKabar. The main event, getting back straps. blade length of EsKabar has advantage. You know, outperform the length of this handle. Blade length of EsKabar outperforms SE Izula2 on this side. Just a moment. Anyway, the two knives work very well as a small backup knife. As you see, very good on the both. No problem. Today, just before sunset, the wind stopped and this deer came up, you know, from their hiding place, deep forest, to the riverside to eat. You know, just after the wind stopped, it was a very, very good chance to shoot a deer in close range. Maybe this side you can see how they work very well. This holding side on the blade, forefinger enough, very comfortable. Long enough. However, blade cutting edge length is short, so much slower. EsKabar faster. I'm interested in edge retention. It's low end 1095. It's regular 1095. I don't know which heat treat. Anyway, EsKabar, so it might be the same. Low end, I don't know. Anyway, after coming to my friend's house tonight, I'll make the edge retention video soon. Okay? It's a 4-day hunt, the beginning day. This morning I left home, and this afternoon I reach here. Very good opportunity. It's a very big chance and I got it. I'm very, very happy now. Izula2. Pretty sharp. I like this sharpness on the convexing. Finished cutting the tendon. I feel like blade length is short, it's longer. Yeah, has advantage on the blade length. However, handle is short. You know, one advantage, one disadvantage. If this EsKabar had a longer handle like Izula, I would get it for sure. With this blade, with this handle, fusion knife is the best knife, I believe. And if possible, from the factory, convex edge, like mine. Can you see the total stack? Extra rack here. This is very beautiful. My treasure, absolutely. Okay.
あ、いいですよ。あ、すみません、ありがとうございます。はい。バナナトリー。Very irregular stack.
ツナにもいろいろな形ありますよね。
ありますね。
同じってことないね。
ないですね。
どれこれあったけど、これでいい。
あ、それですね。
はい、
すみません。はい。
なんか入れ物いいですか。
取りました。
あ、いいですか。
はい、
温めてあるから、
ゆっ
くりいただいて。
はい。ね。ゆっくりさせていただきます。
ゆっくりして。
はい。
いや、本当ゆっくりいただいて、私もこれって主人。
はい。
バイバイ。おねるね。結構ね、ぶつかってきたら倒れそうになるぐらいね。
はい。
強いんですか。
犬ね。
うん。どうぞゆっくりいただいてね。
はい。
あんまりないかな。あんまり日本の。
わさび。
悪い。
ブラックペッパー&わさび。My friend is a very good smoke maker. Very, very well done. Egg, tofu, oyster. Egg and oyster. Tofu. Fish. Every single dish is very tasty and ちょっと話をちょっとしないといけない。ナイフのことで。はい。Paper. Not very thin, not very thick. Just good to test edge retention. EsKabar. No edge problem. My self-made convex Rowan Izula2. No edge problem. 2. My self-made convex angle is just good in getting back straps or cutting necks, tough enough and very sharp. Very good. You might think it's ugly. However, practically very good. Belly line, please compare. Pretty identical. However, this line more natural than this steep curve. Suddenly, this is more natural. And length has advantage, surely. 3-5 finger holding and choking up like this. Very comfortable. In the hand, it feels much better. Yeah, this Izula scales just good for this EsKabar. Just grind off a bit inside liners and fits perfectly onto the EsKabar Izula scales. Very good. And I like this garnish very much for this EsKabar. Just good. It's a better knife. It's a better knife. It's also good knife. Better. EsKabar. Cheers. Oh. See you. Bye bye.